I'm going to show you how to wear your prescription glasses with your Ocean Reef Aria mask or your Head Sea View mask. There's the result, and here's what you should need. First, a set of old glasses you're ready to cut up, and then a set of tin snips. These are or diagonal pliers, just some intense metal cutters that you can fit in your hand. Then some two-sided tape or duct tape if you don't have that, and scissors to cut it with. First up, you'll want to take the mask and move the straps to the front. Place it kind of by your chest and then push them up, over, and in front. And the work area is clear so you can get your glasses in. To get your glasses in, pop them open, brace against the mask, and gently wedge them in there. Make sure that your nose guards wedge onto this rubbery face nose cover that the mask comes with. That will do most of the locking it in place. Then you're going to do cutting. Hold the temples, which are these things that usually go to cover your ears, one at a time up against the side of the mask, and with your cutters, cut them just below where they would meet the mask. Now that you've cut it, you just need something to cover this exposed end. For duct tape, you take a few inches and roll it into a ball, sticky side out. Stick, stick, stick. And wedge the edge into there. This will keep it from poking you too hard or cutting anything. It's not very sharp. Then we're going to tuck it into that corner. Pull the plastic back and stick it up in there. Make sure it is closer to the chin than this wall, or it'll sit at a really weird angle on your face. Now, do that to the other side. Now that that's secured, do any minor straightening to the glasses you need, and bring the strap back. Brace it against you. Pull these back, and you're ready to put it on. Chin, strap, and adjust.